Survival analysis is a branch of statistics that focuses on analyzing the expected duration until one or more events occur, such as death, failure of a machine, customer churn, or recovery from illness. What makes it unique is that it deals with time-to-event data, where the timing of the event is as important as whether the event happens at all. A key feature of survival analysis is handling censored data, situations where we don't observe the event for all subjects within the study period. For example, if a patient is still alive at the end of a medical study, their survival time is incomplete, but we still include it in the analysis. Common tools in survival analysis include the Kaplan-Meier curve to estimate survival probability over time, the log-rank test to compare survival between groups, and the Cox proportional hazards model to study the effect of multiple variables on survival time. Survival analysis is widely used in medicine, engineering, business analytics, and social sciences. Its power lies in helping us understand not just whether something happens, but when and what factors influence that timing.